Dear builders, we know that right now, you're fueled by a dream. You're smart, fast, working on 8 things at once. On that next big app, that's going to shape the future. But at DigitalOcean, we know that building, deploying, and managing your apps takes a lot more than just treading water. It especially when it comes to scaling. That's why we had to build App Platform, a fully managed solution that will help to get your app to market faster. We started with simplicity. What if deploying apps could be fun and fast, where you could deploy code from Git repos in just a few clicks? Not only would that be more productive, but it would mean I can focus on making my product better. We also focused on all the time suckers, provisioning and managing infrastructure, operating systems, databases, application runtimes. And we said, if App Platform could allow you to deploy code faster, think of all the amazing ideas that would be unlocked. And we know as you're watching this, you might wonder, is this really for me? Can I do this? Well, we're here to tell you the answer is yes. App Platform runs on DigitalOcean, meaning we can keep the cost low and pass the savings to you. Forget surprise bills and get comfortable with predictability. And sure, if things take off big time, we'll be there and ready, because App Platform is built on Kubernetes. Our mission is to support builders at every stage of growth and beyond. And that's why we're inviting you to use App Platform at DigitalOcean today. Over and out.